when you are traveling in the physical dimension, going from point A to point B, whether that's 10 miles or 3,000 miles, 8,000 miles, however far you have to travel, the very first step that you want to do before you travel, before the trip begins, is step 1, pull yourself into your divine line. Using the inhale, using the exhale to ground and anchor into that inner river, holding space for your body to use the inhale to pull its energy and awareness into the divine line, which moves you into your energetic awareness, your energetic self. And as you hold your energy and awareness in your line, take a moment to feel into a current, a stream that flows vertically inside you that you really value, that feels balancing, stabilizing, soothing, safe, grounding. Maybe it's peace. Maybe it's freedom. Maybe it's strength. Maybe it's curiosity. Maybe it's courage. Just feel into one thread. Now, as you feel into that thread, almost imagine it like a path running vertically inside you, like a river. And then invite your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self, and teams to work with the energetic fields and the guides to reference all of the places that you are going to be traveling to feel into a grid from you to all those locations, and the line on that grid you could travel on that is the reflection of this inner vibration that flows inside you. All grids carry vibration. You're using your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self, your teams to reference that line in that grid that is the reflection of the vibration that flows within you, and inviting your higher self, body, Deva's higher self, and teams to link onto that line of that grid that connects you from this place in this moment to all of the places you will be traveling. So you're traveling just on one line on this grid from point A to B to C to D, and then all the way eventually back home. And you just feel this one line that you're going to be traveling that carries you on all of these grids and all of these places. And you almost feel it like a circle coming all the way back to home. And then as some energetic aspect of you, soul rider, your body, your teams, feels that line you're going to be traveling on, that takes you in the circle, going to all these places, to back home. Then take a moment to invite your higher self, body, Deva's higher self, teams, your body, Deva's teams, you, soul rider, your teams, to connect with all of the regions, the places, the spaces that you are going to be visiting. And in the higher realms, setting up open lines of communication between you and those nature spirits, your body and those nature spirits, your teams and those nature spirits, all of the beings of love and light in those regions. And you're asking for permission to enter, permission to come visit, permission to share information, permission to receive information. You're saying, I would like to come. May I come? And if so, what doorway should I walk through that enables me to, meaning you, to receive appropriate information and to relay appropriate energetic information, because you are a being with lots of information. Your body has lots of information. Your teams have lots of information that can help, that can serve. And these nature spirits, these beings in these other places and regions have information that can help you in the evolution. So it's open lines of communication, and you're setting up all of those moments of connection in the higher realms first, before you even cross your threshold to exit the door to begin the journey. Lots of conversations up high with all of these nature spirits, all of these beings, calibrating the fields, calibrating the grids, calibrating your awareness to be holding your energy and awareness in dimensions that are harmonic in all of these regions. So a lot of the times when we travel, we might not be mindful about calibrating our fields to only hold our energy and awareness in the harmonic dimensions. in those spaces, places, regions. Every space has multiple floors, multiple dimensions, and you get to choose with your conscious awareness what floor, what dimension you are holding your energy and awareness. Personally, I prefer harmonic dimensions. It allows for a relay of more appropriate energetic information. Then there's an amplification of these harmonic dimensions that then ripple and reflect and positively impact discordant dimensions without even having to hold any energy or awareness in a discordant dimension. And so to just continue holding space for this relay of information, this request, the setting up of the grids, opening of the lines. And then the nature spirits and these beings of love and light begin to get excited about your arrival. And then every place you go is like a celebration, an exchange of information. Everything has been prepped in the higher realms. And you just imagine every place you're going, sitting, reflecting, listening, sharing information, receiving appropriate information, prepping with them for the most positive experience possible. And then seeing yourself all the way back home, balanced, full, complete, rested, and in gratitude. Oh, we ask for a balancing and a stabilizing of the fields as you complete that process.